Is your public or private health organisation in need of medical supplies during the COVID-19 crisis? Are you an approved supplier of medical equipment? If so, T&K is here to help. T&K was established in 1999 and has 8 subsidiaries, which currently provide coverage to thousands of hospitals worldwide. Our qualified management structure strictly adheres to good manufacturing practices, and currently we have Class 10K clean workshops, sterile test rooms, positive control rooms, and microbial limit rooms. Our masks are composed of 3-layer, non-woven material. The outer layer is anti-fume and aerosol resistant, and the inner layer is hypoallergenic, with a very low resistance to breathing. The middle layer contains the main filtration mechanism, with a filtration efficiency that reaches 98% as a minimum. To aid the ongoing work to combat the current COVID-19 pandemic, T&K's manufacturing units are also producing protective products, such as alcohol wipes and medical cotton swabs. We have delivered over 60 million masks to cities across the world. For more information, please visit us at www.tai-kang.com.cn or contact us on sales@tnkfun.com.